Hey, Xander, you want to go to the sandcastle?
Sure, Zach, I have a great idea. Hey, Dee, can you pop the trunk?
I guess. Let me find my keys. Hang on.
Dee, where
What?
are the kids at?
I have no idea. I wonder why they wanted to pop the trunk.
What?
What in the world are y'all doing?
Timmy wanted to take the sandcastle home.
Well, let's go have some fun. Great work is mandatory. It's a must. If you want to continue to grow and you want to get to the goals that you have set forth, then you have to put out great work. It's got to be the best. Summer's winding down for those kids, and next week they're gonna be back into the classroom. So today's Shop Talk is a back to school special. Now I'm taking the kids on one last trip before those school doors open, and believe you me, there'll be a mess for those detailers to clean up. Man, that was fun. Kids, did y'all have a good time?
Yeah!
All right.
But there's sand everywhere.
I know, those detailers are gonna pitch a fit when they see this truck. All right, guys, the kids go back to school next week, and I need them riding in style. We got a little sand in the back, but I know you guys can take care of it.
Man, what'd they do? Build a sandcastle in here or something, Dustin?
Man, something like that. But I know Easy N Detailers, there ain't nothing that they can't handle, and I know you can get it done.
We'll get it done for you.
Thanks, guys. All right, my Easy N team is working hard to get my wife's vehicle back in shape. And what they're doing is what we call the full Easy N detail. Now, what all's included in our full Easy N package is a deep interior detail. We're gonna shampoo the carpets. We're gonna clean between the seats. We're gonna clean and condition the leather. We're gonna spot treat that headliner. We're gonna make sure this thing is absolutely perfect inside. No trace of sand, no trace of dirt, nothing. Absolutely perfect. The outside, we're gonna wash it down. We're gonna clay bar it to make sure no grime or dirt stuck to it. We're gonna detail the wheels and tires, and then we're gonna get a coat of polymer sealant on there to keep it protected for a long time. They're gonna wash away all those good summer memories and have this vehicle ready for Monday morning. Give me five.
Your daddy good?
Oh, it's okay, Mama. Now, if you want your kids to have a memorable experience like ours on their first day of school, head on over to Easy N Detail and click Get My Estimate. That's going to do it for this week's episode of Shop Talk, and I'll see you next week. Believe you me, what the hell is that? Ha! Back to school special. I'll get it. Come on.
Do your face.
What the hell am I supposed to say?
Hey, Xander, you want to go to sandcastle? Yay!
Oh yeah, you.
Okay.
I'll see you.